How to buy Premier League tickets online. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to buy Premier League tickets online. Alright, so let's begin. So, the first way to buy Premier League tickets is directly from the club's website. For example, if you're a Chelsea fan, head over to the Chelsea website. If you're an Arsenal fan, go to their website. After that, look for the section that says tickets at the top of the page and click on buy tickets. Then you can click on learn more under general admission to get more details about purchasing tickets. Then you'll find a step-by-step guide on how to buy match tickets. Typically, tickets go on sale 42 days before the fixture, and the process usually follows this order. First, tickets go to members, one ticket per member. Next, season ticket holders and members can buy two additional tickets. Finally, tickets go on general sale, though this rarely happens. It's advised to become a member for better chances of getting tickets. Over here, if you want to become a member, click on the membership option and follow the steps to sign up. After that, the second method is buying tickets through official resale platforms. Some fans sell their tickets if they can't attend the match, but be careful of inflated prices and fake tickets. Make sure to use official resellers listed on the club's website. Then visit the trusted reseller's website, search for the match you're interested in, and select the tickets. So that's basically how you can buy Premier League tickets online. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.